How to view payment history in TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the app on your device and log in using a registered username and password. Once you are on the home screen, navigate to the Accounts tab located at the bottom menu. Tap on it to view your linked auto loan account. Next, select your loan account and you will be taken to the account details page. Here, look for the payment history or transaction section. Tap on this option to access a detailed list of all your past payments, including the date, payment amount, method of payment, and confirmation status. You can scroll through your history to view recent or older payments. If you need a more detailed view, some versions of the app also allow you to filter payments by date range or download your payment history for record keeping. Finally, reviewing your payment history regularly helps you stay on top of your loan management, confirm successful transactions, and track your progress in paying off your auto loan. Now you know how to view your payment history in the TD Auto Finance app quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.